Second video on polarization. Again, we're going to skip a lot of the details this particular year because, well, COVID. But one of the things I want to point out is light naturally coming from a place like the sun is unpolarized. What that means is you're starting to think about the waves. If you think about waves at the ocean or at a lake coming in, the waves are all bobbing up and down. Well, with light, some of them are bobbing up and down, some of them side to side, some of them diagonally, all kinds of mix and matches, and we call that unpolarized. Now, there are special films you can use to polarize light. That's how polarized sunglasses work. The sunglasses remove some of the light, but not by blocking it out like a shade, but instead by only allowing light that is polarized in a certain manner to pass through. So, for example, if we took a vertical filter and you have unpolarized light coming from the sun, you put the vertical filter in front of your eyes, the only light that gets through is the polarized vertical light. Now, it definitely gets more complicated than this, but it's a good start for where we're at. The benefits of doing this are, well, using vertical polarizers is a lot of things like the hood of your car or the glare coming off of a body of water tends to become horizontally polarized. So, what you can do by using vertically polarized sunglasses is cut out a lot of that glare. It's not 100% perfect because it's not always 100% horizontal polarized, but it does cut back quite dramatically on the glare. Another question often comes up is okay, so if I have vertically polarized light and I put a horizontal filter in front of it, what happens? The result is nothing. No light passes through. In fact, if you have polarized sunglasses, I wouldn't do this unless your polarized sunglasses break, but if they do and you're kind of bored before you throw them out, go ahead and take the two lenses and turn one of them 90 degrees to the other, and you'll see that it blocks out almost all, if not all, the light. Not because it's a very thick shade, but because it's polarized, and the one only allows horizontal, while the other only allows vertical. Now you may be thinking, what's the difference between a horizontal and vertical polarized piece of film? Just the way it's positioned. You can take a vertical one and you can turn it 90 degrees, it becomes horizontal, and vice versa.